Well, it is Thursday and we are in the office. Just got back from Atlantic County, New Jersey. I was in Philadelphia this morning representing a client at a preliminary hearing, and then I shot over to New Jersey to see some clients at the jail there in Mays Landing, New Jersey. I know it's Thursday and a lot of people are ending their week today to get the Memorial Day weekend started. I know driving to Mays Landing this afternoon, I could already tell that traffic seemed to be a little more heavier than normal. For a Thursday afternoon on Route 73 and then connecting with the Atlantic City Turnpike from our Morristown, New Jersey office. So with that said, I did come out with a quick overview of your rights, responsibilities, and what to do if you are arrested, hopefully not this Memorial Day weekend, either Pennsylvania or New Jersey, but we know that New Jersey is ending the face mask requirement today. Tomorrow morning when you wake up and you go to Wawa or wherever you're going to get your coffee or go to the supermarket, hopefully they will not require you to wear a mask. I was actually in Wawa today asking a few people there if they were going to have the face mask requirement, and they were kind of unsure. So perhaps they're making that decision now, but I think that most businesses are not going to require the face mask, and the ones that do are really taking a chance of losing a substantial amount of business, especially this Memorial Day weekend. So in that blog article that I came out with today, it gives you some things to think about your rights and responsibilities. I've gone over this a number of times in my previous blogs, in my free weekly update as well, which goes out every Friday. It'll come out tomorrow, which it actually pulls together all of our latest content, and it gives you links to our website at gambonelaw.com. That's a great resource. But again, I've gone over this a number of times. Remember, if you are stopped by police, you have an obligation to provide your license, your registration, and just be polite to the officer. You're not obligated to be polite, obviously, but it doesn't pay to be disrespectful to the officer. It's not going to help your case at all. Now, with regards to responsibilities, it ends there. Once you give the officer your license and registration, it ends there. With regards to consent to search and seizure, obviously I've written in previous blogs, never give consent or authorization to search your car, your belongings, or your home. That will not help your case, and obviously that will negate your constitutional rights under the Fourth Amendment to the United States Constitution, a very, very powerful right that you have. In addition, you have to understand that the majority of criminal cases start with a traffic stop. So don't underestimate the power that you have and how it can really affect your case. You don't want to give any statements because, it's like they say in your Miranda rights, anything you say can and will be used against you. And it doesn't even need to be said to the police officer. It can be said to anyone. So if you're being held in the holding cell, don't choose to befriend anyone, because you never know who's listening. And that person there, what you disclose, they may use it to help their own case. It happens all the time. So again, please be mindful of your rights and responsibilities. If you have questions, if you are arrested, it's very important that your family contact an attorney as soon as possible. If bail is going to be an issue, the best time to negotiate bail is right after you're arrested with an attorney. Don't rely on the public defender's office to argue bail for you. I'm not saying anything bad about those lawyers. They are fine lawyers, but they're so overwhelmed. They have so many cases. They're not going to take the time sometimes to look at your case and argue extra for bail. They may not know your situation, and they may simply disregard a lot of the things that your family may tell a private lawyer. So keep that in mind. If you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, the website gambonelaw.com. A tremendous resource for you and your families. Once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. You might want to put either one of those numbers on your speed dial and keep that on hand. We answer our calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Have a great Memorial Day weekend. I will make another video tomorrow. But again, please be responsible. Please be safe. And I wish you all very well.